Real talk, real impact, unfiltered and unapologetic. This is Femicon.
Hello, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mawa Shakhtar, and here with another episode of Femicon. So, yeah. What's our topic today? Interesting. Parenting in the digital age. Specifically, we will be talking about obviously technology, but we will be concentrating on gaming and screens. But again, more so on gaming, because we've talked about screens before in general, right? But we've been bombarded with more and more video games, and parents, or I'm a Gen Z parent. No, sorry. I'm a Gen X parent. So our kids are either Gen Z or Gen Alpha, right? Whereas there are many people who are raising children at this time, who feel like they're aware of the dangers or even the benefits of raising kids with technology. But I feel that we miss a lot of the ways. I'm choosing my words carefully right now, but as we get further into this conversation, I feel like we'll open up to this discussion with Tulsi in more detail. Now, here are a few things that I want to clarify before we talk about this. Now, I've clarified it in a way कि हम वीडियो गेम्स की बात कर रहे हैं, और फिर जब हम स्क्रीन टाइम की बात करते हैं तो वीडियो गेम्स के अलावा हम नॉर्मल स्क्रीन टाइम की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम थोड़े से एडवांस्ड स्क्रीन टाइम की बात कर रहे हैं, तो हम फिर इसमें से छोटे बच्चों को निकाल देते हैं. Let's talk about maybe 12 and above, क्योंकि ये वो टाइम है जिसमें एक्चुअल वीडियो गेम्स, एक्चुअल गेमिंग, एक्चुअल जो वो वाली सिचुएशन होती है जिसमें the disagreements, the arguments, the why do I have to do this and why do I have to do that starts to take effect in a very real way. तो हम उसकी फिर अब बात करेंगे, and that becomes important because वो टाइम है उस 10 and below अब टाइम लिमिट सेट कर सकते हैं और आप बता सकते हैं कि this is the reason or this is why, and then you can control it. 10 and above, it's not a good idea to just give them limitation and boundaries without explaining things to them. उसके बाद भी disagreements होंगे, उसके बाद भी crossing of boundaries and limits होंगे, because that's what children do. They test your boundaries, right? But उसको handle करना और where to draw the line, or push and pull, it's always a push and pull. The where to draw the line, that's the discussion that we're trying to have today. And people say that you learn from your children, and I think that's what they mean. You don't learn, I'm sure people learn about life in general from their kids, but I think what it means is you learn about your children from your children. They will tell you where the boundary is if you're listening carefully. And that doesn't mean that they'll tell you, okay, ab ye nahi karna, of course. It means that जब आप वो बाउंड्री सेट कर रहे हैं, जब आप उनको बता रहे हैं कि क्या क्या होना है, क्या नहीं होना है, तो उसी में जब वो आपकी बाउंड्रीज को क्रॉस करते हैं, जब वो आपकी बाउंड्रीज को चैलेंज करते हैं, दैट्स हाउ यू फाइंड आउट कि किस तरह से उन बाउंड्रीज को कंट्रोल करना है. Because they will always challenge and try to cross your boundaries. They will always, चाहे they do it with a conversation, with a tantrum, with going behind your back, जिस तरीके से भी करेंगे, they will challenge your boundaries. They will try to get away from them. They'll try to change the rules of the game. They'll try to figure out कि हम किस तरह से इसको manipulate कर सके. Because, and we'll talk about this further, कि these things are addictive. We know it too. What is binge watching or binge playing or however you want to put it? That's kind of an addiction. हम adults हैं तो हमें पता है कि कब control करना है, कब रुक जाना है, और कब how many episodes in and how many hours in when it comes to a video game. But the kids don't know. So that's type of an addiction. So they will test our boundaries. And we have to know, we will learn from them कि उनको किस तरह से क्या चीज़ बतानी है और किस तरह से उनको explain करना है. So I feel that's what it's meant to teach us about themselves and about how to train them and how to teach them about the world around them. But right now, of course, we mean it in the sense of the digital world that that they're learning and that we're learning along with them. Because जैसे time गुजरता जा रहा है, technology बढ़ती जा रही है, information बढ़ती जा रही है, and every generation, not even generation, 5 years in, every 5 years, information grows. Technologically, the world becomes more advanced technologically. So we have to adapt accordingly. And so do the children. So of course we have to come up with new ways to teach our children and make new rules about what they can and cannot do and at what age. क्योंकि फिर वो भी तो change हो जाता है ना साथ साथ. So a general rule of parenting that I just want every parent to understand and know. And I know a lot of you will disagree with me, but I just want to go ahead and say it. I'm sorry, this chair is not extremely comfortable right now. You cannot be your child's friend. If you want to raise a healthy child and an individual that is smart and intelligent and respectful and has all the qualities that you would want in a grown adult, you can't be, while you're raising that kind of human being, जब तक वो training चल रही है, you can't have a friendship while you're training them. क्योंकि you have to put your foot down. And I don't, और उससे मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप communication नहीं करें अपने बच्चों के साथ, उनको समझाएं नहीं, उनको जो आप rules बना रहे हैं या जो reasons आपकी हैं वो explain ना करें, उनको सिखाएं नहीं. This just means कि you can't, बल्कि communication is going to be the most important thing in them learning those things, in them understanding how to move forward, whether at that time or later on in life. But you can't act like a friend and try to make them happy all the time and try to make it easier for them. And again, I say that with, take that with a grain of salt, because a lot of the times जिस चीज़ की बच्चों को ज़रूरत होती है, they want safety. I mean, they need safety from their parents. They need understanding from their parents. And they need their parents to set boundaries. These are not things that are required of friends. Friends को understanding देनी चाहिए. Of course. Friends को open communication भी करनी चाहिए एक दूसरे के साथ. But they don't need to provide you safety in the way that the parents need to. And they don't need to set those kinds of जो training वाली boundaries होती हैं. They don't need to do that for you, right? But parents have to. If you become your child's friend, then you are not creating the boundaries that you need to. Because you do have to say no. You will communicate the reason. You will do it logically. You will do it with research, explanation, proper, without getting emotional, without attacking them, without any of that. And if they still, they will be the ones who will be emotional and who will be illogical and who will say things like, you just don't understand. This is not something, आपके ज़माने में तो खाए नहीं, आपको क्या पता, आपको, उसके बाद it will be your job to just set the boundary. Right? So you can't be a friend because friend's job is to just say, dude, I get it. It's okay. I get it. Your parents are crazy. They're not making any sense. I mean, it's not their job, but that's what they usually do, right? They comfort you. You can be that, but you still have to, you can comfort them and say, I get it. I'm so sorry. This is hard for you. I get it. But also, can't let you because it's not good for you. So that's what you have to do. And then you have to be consistent about it. ये नहीं हो सकता कि एक दिन कर दिया, दूसरे दिन नहीं किया, एक हफ्ते कर दिया, फिर 2 दिन के लिए, ओके फाइन, आज कर लो because I'm tired, लेकिन दोबारा फिर एक हफ्ते के लिए you can't. That back and forth can't happen. And that's also something, that luxury is awarded to a friend, but not to a parent. Friends can be inconsistent. Parents can't be. So you have to realize that friends can do that. कि अब ठीक है आज ये कर लेते हैं, या मैंने ये कहा था यार, but I'm changing my mind. I want to do it this way. I want to do it that way. Parents can't do that because then they know they can manipulate you. Then they know they can. आज ये है, आज वो है, आज ये करना है. अच्छा अम्मी थोड़ा सा पुश करेंगी तो अम्मी मान जाएंगी, थोड़ा सा अम्मी नहीं करेंगी तो अब्बू से कहते हैं, फला से कहते हैं, उससे कहते हैं. That shouldn't be something that happens. That shouldn't be a common thing that that is a part of a parenting. जिसे कहते हैं ना कि parenting map for you as a parent. या थोड़ा बहुत पुश करेंगे तो मान जाएंगे, आज कह रही हैं लेकिन whatever, I'll talk her into it. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. Now, you should discuss the boundaries with your children. Okay, why do they exist? Why you want to create them? And what benefits they will have. Okay, so here are a few things about boundaries that you should talk to your children about. Why they exist. They're not always negotiable or never negotiable almost, but they should know why they're put in place. So boundaries are not going to be negotiable in the sense that certain things you can't do. We're not going to change our minds about you being able to do them at this time. But yeah, as they grow with age, as circumstances change, yeah, we can discuss those. It should be clear that just because they can communicate issues with you they can discuss things with you openly, doesn't mean that that's an allowance for bad behavior. कि जो एक respect होती है parents की, again ये friendship में आ जाती है ना बात के, they can't treat you like friends. Again, बदतमीजी नहीं कर सकते, rudely बात नहीं कर सकते, बहुत सारे तरीका जो बात करने का है जो फ्रेंड्स के साथ होता है, अल्फाज होते हैं, जुमले होते हैं, वो पेरेंट्स के साथ अडॉप्ट नहीं कर सकते. And again, we're going to come back to that idea, okay? How this relates to digital parenting. Yeah, how it goes back to video games and TV and screens. Because a lot of it, the frustration comes from there. Okay. Because hoga ye कि when you're putting your foot down about these things, when you're becoming serious about, ye nahi ho sakta, ye nahi ho sakta, ye nahi ho sakta, then they will get frustrated, they will get aggressive, even sometimes violent, not with you, but with their siblings, with people around them, with their stuff, with their, And I'll give you examples of my kids. That did happen. And we'll get into the reasons for it. So those boundaries have to be set. Okay? You can communicate your feelings with me. And you can communicate them very, very openly. But you will not cross certain boundaries. बदतमीजी नहीं कर सकते, जुमले केयरफुली इस्तेमाल करने हैं, वर्ड्स क्या बोलने, कैसे बोलने, किस तरीके से उनको एक्सप्रेस करना है. What is anger? Why does it happen? और anger के, and like I say, कि anger के पीछे हमेशा कोई और feeling होती है. So before you start to take your anger out on me or on anyone else, identify that feeling. Sit with yourself, identify that other feeling, and then express that feeling. Feeling जरूर express करो, लेकिन वो feeling express करो, anger के बजाय जो actual feeling है, उसको express करो. Because they will test you. Like we said, कि अपनी limits को जितना वो push कर सकते हैं, वो करेंगे. And they will test you. Now, why am I mentioning all these things in relation to digital or technology or, digital screen time and digital play or all of that? Is because digital temptation is not like other things. And I'm sure that all of you parents, and those of you who play these games, adults also, have noticed that और चीज़ें जो हैं जिनमें हम involved हैं, whether it's reading or going out with your friends and working out, exercise, sports, anything else, उस पे हमारे दिमाग का, हमारी body का, हर चीज़ का बहुत control होता है. If we've decided कि we'll go play sports for an hour or 2 hours, so we're able to manage that. Right? 1 घंटे खेलेंगे, 2 घंटे खेलेंगे, फिर हम उसके बाद we can stop. लेकिन अगर हम गेमिंग की बात करें, वीडियो गेम्स हैं, या हम टीवी के, जैसे पहले बात की, टीवी की बात करें और मूवीज़ की बात करें, किसी भी चीज़ की, तो अगर हम खुद अपने आप को कॉन्शियसली कंट्रोल ना करें, तो we can go on and on and on. और बच्चों के साथ यही होता है ना. अगर हम उसको खुद ना कहें, बेटा बस, your time's up, बस उठ जाओ, we have to leave, तो क्या होता है? They don't want to stop. And what is that? इस सिचुएशन के अलावा, स्क्रीन टाइम के अलावा, और किस सिचुएशन में ऐसे होता है? एडिक्शन में, like actual drugs and alcohol की एडिक्शन में. So screens, any type of video games, TV shows, movies, anything, that's an addiction. And this is not me saying that to you. That's a scientific fact. I could give you statistics for it, but you can go Google them. It's not hard to find. There's been research on it, like so much research on it. कि इसकी वजह से and it's not the child's fault. हमने परमिशन दी है उन्हें, और फिर हम ही उनको डांटते हैं इस बात पे कि तुम क्यों बैठे रहते हो हर वक्त टीवी के सामने, हर वक्त वीडियो गेम्स खेलते रहते हो, हर वक्त ये करते रहते हो, हर वक्त वो करते रहते हो. एंड देन वी वांट टू स्टॉप देम, एंड देन हम ही कंसिस्टेंट नहीं हैं उस चीज़ के साथ. किसी दिन हम सारा दिन खेलने देते हैं बिकॉज इट्स कन्वीनियंट फॉर अस, हमें ब्रेक मिल जाती है. कभी हम कहते हैं बिल्कुल नहीं, बहुत खेलते होते हैं, बस आज बिल्कुल नहीं. कभी हम कहते हैं ओके टाइम लिमिट होगी. एज पेरेंट्स वी नो दैट कि we're not consistent with this, right? और फिर उसका रिजल्ट क्या होता है? Children are aggressive. They're, they have these, they have lack of patience. They have loss of energy many times while they're playing, while they're done playing. They're rude. They can't focus. They can't. They don't respond well to other types of stimulation. अब इधर क्या हो रहा है? जैसे ड्रग्स पे होती है ना एक ब्रेन, that you have artificially stimulated it. So it's like hyped up and it's getting extra adrenaline and it's, emotions are heightened and you keep giving it that. Keep giving it that. फिर आप उसको एकदम से उस चीज से हटा लें, तो फिर क्या होता है? You crash. और फिर उस क्रैश में क्या होता है? That you just want that thing and you can't have it. तो दो चीजें होती हैं, या तो you go out and you desperately try to find it in any way that you can, that we see happening to drug addicts everywhere. Or they go into withdrawal, which is they're aggressive and they can't handle, their physical bodies and they're in all sorts of pain. They can't focus on anything. They can't pay attention to anything. So what happens to children? If you notice a child, they're going to exhibit all of that behavior. आप उनको सारा दिन भी खेलने देंगे ना, end of the day, they will exhibit all of these behaviors. And what is that? आपने उनको constant stimulation दी है. Minute, नहीं. Split second after split second, moving images. They didn't have a second to think अपने दिमाग से. Because they were getting all of that stimulation, all of that movement, all of that energy, all of that adrenaline. Yeah, I said correctly, I think. Constantly. Images were moving right in front of them. So many colors, so many, just everything, all of their senses were heightened. And there were some senses that they had, that they see, that they experienced and are talked about that they didn't even know existed at their age. इतनी सारी नई चीजें इंट्रोड्यूस हो रही होती हैं उनसे, that in real, like in actual natural brain में, they're not even ready for it. Natural brain शायद उनको वो sensations, वो ideas, और वो senses शायद उनको वो इंट्रोड्यूस होती 10 साल बाद. लेकिन उन वीडियो गेम्स में, उन शोज में, उन मूवीज में, they were introduced to them right there and then, like 10 साल पहले. So it's all just extremely extra stimulating for them. So चाहे वो सारा दिन भी खेलते रहेंगे, रात को they will have a crash. Because the real life is very, very slow. Real life is not moving like this. Right? Real life is nothing compared to all of that. Real life is just, you're just sitting around, you're talking, you're not doing anything, and I've seen my kids have like crash and burn And I'm trying to get them, even to this day, they're 12 and 13, and I'm trying to get them to, learn this, that you're gonna have, you can play video games, you can be on the computer, you can watch TV, but we're gonna do everything in limitation. And then you're gonna go outside and play. You're gonna play board games. You're gonna interact with family. And then when you are out in public, we're not gonna come home early because you didn't get your computer time for today. It's okay. People are important. These things are, and I used to watch them the days that, even now that happens, the days that I have extra time or do more hours in a day of video games or watching TV or whatever it may be, they are extra aggressive. They are rude to each other and have more of an attitude with me and my husband. And they're just kind of, the way they're reacting with each other. Like just right now, actually, one of my kids was doing his computer time, and the other one comes to me. He was doing his computer time as well, and his computer's battery died. So वो मेरे पास आया, and he said कि वो he's not giving me his charger, and he's saying his computer is not charged, and he's like upset with me. Okay, I'm asking for his charger. I'm like, okay. And I was working, so I didn't really, मतलब मेरे दिमाग में बात नहीं घुसी, because I was like, what are you saying? And I got 8 minutes beta, let me finish this. I was typing something. And while I was typing, 2-3 minutes lage mujhe, he was like, I mean, you're not paying attention to me. So I ignored him and I finished my whatever I was doing, and I said, Beta, I told you to wait, right? I couldn't understand you, so I told you to wait. मैंने कहा क्या बात हुई, क्या मसला है? He goes, वो काम कर रहा है कंप्यूटर पर, उसका कंप्यूटर चार्ज होना है, मेरा चार्जर बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो गया, मेरा चार्ज, and he's not giving me the charger. So, and he was very angry and very upset. मैंने कहा आपने कर लिया अपना पूरा? And he's like, नहीं, मैंने अपना पूरा नहीं किया. That's what I'm saying. वो मुझे नहीं दे रहा. मैंने कहा उसका चार्ज हुआ है? He's like, no, उसका पता नहीं कितना है, 20% पे, 25% पे. मैंने कहा बेटा को गुस्सा किस बात पे आ रहा है? He goes, because I can't do my computer time जब तक वो उसका चार्ज नहीं होता. I'm like, okay, you have 2 solutions. You can go find the other charger, or you can wait for him to get done. What is there to be upset about? For him, just because his computer shut down in the middle of him doing whatever he was doing, and that the fact that he had to be patient, the fact that he had to wait, and his brother wasn't just stopping his life and everything and handing him the charger was just, and he's a reasonable one, where he would be like, okay, let me just go get my charger and let me get, he's the one. Other matters में वो इस तरह का है कि वो बड़ा वाला है तो वो सिर्फ उससे 11 महीने बड़ा, लेकिन he's more like mature. Normal situations में like छोटे वाला was being lazy and he'll just be like, उसके हाथ में कुछ पकड़ा दो कि बेटा ये पकड़ के ले जाओ, तो he'll just be like, oh, I'm so tired, और वहीं रख देगा. बड़ा वाला will just be like, but I'm gonna give it to you. Why are you putting it here? अम्मी को दो या अम्मी का काम पूरा कर दो. So he's more responsible in that way. वो इस तरह react नहीं करता normally. But I've seen them react this way over this so many times and fight with each other and have an attitude. Even just the way he spoke to me is not his normal tone. And I was like, why are you upset? What's like इस बात पे कर रहे हो? And I had to like say it to him over and over again to like first bring him down and then make him realize that, is there something to be angry about? And then the third option for him was actually to just ask me, can I borrow your charger? Which is very normal for them to do. When their dad was home, they could have borrowed his charger too. But he couldn't, it just, at that time, it was like, I just need to charge my computer and just get on with doing whatever I was doing. So these kinds of things, and this is a very small example, they're like, and brothers do that. I mean, siblings do that, fight with each other and, maarpeet karna. But it's happened more so over, their uh, after they've had computer time for a long period of time. So, oh, I'm sorry. There's a. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Some crap about being beautiful. Anytime there's a woman, you guys have to do this, right? Yeah. So, drive into the mind of an addict, because we deal with addiction in other ways as well, right? Addiction में क्या है? Instant gratification. जो चाहिए फौरन मिल जाए, अभी चाहिए. ये जो, अब मैं अपने बेटे की एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ. अब ये जो मेरा बेटा बड़ा वाला जिसकी मैं बात कर रही हूँ, he came complaining कि मुझे चार्जर चाहिए और नहीं मिल रहा, नहीं हो रहा. He is the kind of kid who can sit for hours and do one thing. Sometimes when I'm working with him, I have to be like, beta, can you hurry up? Because he's a perfectionist. He could take time and do things for a long period of time. So for him to be rushing something like this, like, वो मुझे बस अपना charger दे दे. It's like, look around the house. We all have computers. We all have like, they have school की तरफ से भी Chromebooks, whatever. So we have like 1,000 chargers. And for him to just panic over that is very unlike him. But this changes your brain's chemistry. Because that loss of time, which is not even actually a loss of time, because time कहाँ जाता है? आजकल छुट्टियां हैं, there's no rush for sleeping. And वो instant जो एक है ना, loss of patience, instant gratification, having everything now and not missing out on it, and not slowing down, and not wanting to come down from that high. That's the actual problem. And that is growing more and more and more. और जैसे जैसे ये चीज़ें बढ़ती जा रही हैं, they're not gonna, ये नहीं होगा कि बड़े हो जाएंगे तो समझ आ जाएगी. No, because this is an addiction. तो जितना अपॉर्चुनिटी खेलने की मिलेगी, जितनी अपॉर्चुनिटी देखने की मिलेगी, वो बढ़ती जाएगी. एडिक्शन कम थोड़ी होती है खेलने से और करने से. एडिक्शन को तो समझने से और उसको अंडरस्टैंड करके किल करने से, ख़त्म करने से वो ख़त्म होती है. So, because normal तो ये होता है ना कि if you're reading or you're playing, you're done or you're tired and you want to move on to something else. इसमें तो ऐसा नहीं होता. You don't get tired. You don't want to move on to anything because there's no end to any of this. And your brain just gets more and more involved in this to the point where you don't want to do your homework. You're okay with skipping school. And then where is it ending for us and for our kids? And then there is another very big question. Is that what is the content that they're looking at or that they're playing with? And a lot of us parents, honestly, we don't know. And it doesn't matter कि हम कितने worldly हैं, हमें क्या-क्या पता है दुनिया के बारे में. If we're not sitting down and playing that game or sitting next to them and watching what they're playing, we don't know. It doesn't matter what generation we're from. It doesn't matter कि हमने कितनी दुनिया देखी हुई है और हमने कितना कुछ हमें पता है, हम कहाँ से पढ़ के आए हैं, कहाँ से रह के आए हैं. It does not matter. हमें जो करने की ज़रूरत है कि एक तो हम रिसर्च करें. Before any game, हम रिसर्च करें. Because there are so many studies coming out now that the most harmless games, they put in these little fleeting things in there. एक तो पैसे इस तरह से वो हो जाते हैं, like they just keep, eating up money. We're thinking, well, this is just entertainment for kids, but no, it eats your money if you're not, careful. और दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि छोटी-छोटी चीज़ों में इस तरह की इमेजेस हैं, इस तरह के डायलॉग्स हैं, इस तरह की thought processes, वो इसमें डाले हुए हैं कि you won't even realize unless you're sitting with them and you're watching them. And no kid's gonna want that. No kid's gonna want that. No kid's gonna be okay. No teenager is gonna be okay with their parents sitting next to them and playing the game or watching them play. So you need to stay vigilant and stay involved with the children. Don't say that research to unko download karne se pehle to for sure research it. Make it a thing. Tell them until I know and I'm comfortable with you, usse pehle ye game you cannot have it. That's it. You just can't have it. Uske baad, stay connected with them. Then you can say, oh, I want to play with you today. Oh, let's see. I mean, you can lose, you can, whatever. You don't have to be good at it. But play with them. Or just sit there and, try to enjoy it with them so you get to see what they're playing and what's happening. And you know what happens in that game or in that TV show. And as far as I don't know about video games, but as far as TV shows are concerned, I now recommend TV shows that I've seen and I'm absolutely sure about कि वो बिल्कुल साफ सुथरे हैं. क्योंकि I can't say कि मत देखो, right? तो वो तो obviously that's not going to work. और मेरा उनके साथ बैठ के देखना, उनकी timings ये हैं कि छुट्टियों में they want to watch late night, yeah. अगर दिन में भी है तो sometimes I'm working, I'm not, So I recommend like superhero shows and stuff जो मैं देख चुकी हूँ, right? And I know कि बिल्कुल साफ सुथरे हैं, कुछ नहीं है. तो I say, oh yeah, that's a good show. Try watching that. And then that does two things. I know कि वो shows बिल्कुल साफ सुथरे हैं, उसमें कोई ऐसा violence भी नहीं है और भी कोई इस तरह की चीज़ नहीं है, कोई sexual, innuendos and stuff like that. And that's actually something we can bond over. That they can talk to me about it after watching an episode or 2 episodes, and we can be like, oh, this happened in this episode, this character was introduced and this and that. And so we have something to bond over. And there's a connection to be made. But of course, limited. कि हफ्ते में एक दफ़ा, हफ्ते में 2 दफ़ा. School days में तो there is no way that they can watch any kind of TV or no screen time. But आजकल weekend आजकल छुट्टियाँ हैं तो they get more of an opportunity. But so try to make these kinds of important you have to get involved in these kinds of things. These things are boring. They almost seem like, oh, I can trust a child. You can trust them. Definitely tell them that you trust them. But make them understand that it's not that you are mistrusting them. Make them understand that their brains are still growing. And there is so much out there that they don't understand yet. And you have to help them. And again, it goes back to the same thing. They're so young right now. बहुत सारी चीज़ें तो हमें भी समझ नहीं आती हैं. तो वो कैसे, how can you leave them alone to fend for this for themselves and say, oh, समझदार हैं. हम समझदार नहीं हैं अभी. इतनी सारी चीज़ें इस तरह की होती हैं जो हमको समझ नहीं आती. जो हम बिल्कुल हमारे सर पे से गुजर जाती हैं और बाद में होता है कि oh, this was a message. हम लोगों के लिए और हमें सिखाई जा रही हैं इस तरह की चीज़ें. So don't fall for this. वो बच्चों के लिए बनाया तो ठीक ही होगा. No, ये किन बच्चों के लिए बनाया है, किस तरह का मैसेज दिया जा रहा है. There's so many different things that we absolutely just completely miss. So this is very important to keep in mind that these games, सबसे बड़ी चीज़ तो ये है कि they're addictive. And it's a true addiction, not in the sense कि ज़्यादा देखेंगे तो आदत पड़ जाएगी. No. It's an addiction. You'll have the same exact, your brain will have the same exact reaction जो addicted brain का होता है. And then अगर आप नहीं करेंगे, नहीं देखेंगे, नहीं खेलेंगे तो वही रिएक्शन होगा ब्रेन का जो विड्रॉल में होता है. एंड यू कैन एक्सपेरिमेंट, यू कैन सी. और जो गेम आप समझते हैं कि सेफ हैं, उन गेम्स में अगर आप बैठ के डिटेल में अपने बच्चों के साथ खेलेंगे या बैठ के देखेंगे, तो यू विल फाइंड that there are a lot of things that are absolutely horrific. So these are things that we have to keep in mind, and we have to be extra careful about. क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि this is all just, you know, over exaggerate करते हैं, बच्चों के शोज हैं, बच्चों के लिए बनाए हैं, तो ऐसा ऐसा इसमें क्या होगा. But you know, उन्होंने बच्चों के लिए नहीं बनाए. That's the thing that we have to understand. They don't care about जो developers हैं और जो games बना रहे हैं और जो ये सब big companies हैं. They don't care about our children. They care about making money. तो ये सब चीज़ें जो ये कर रहे हैं, ये हमारे बच्चों के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं, ये पैसे बनाने के लिए कर रहे हैं. अब इन्हें पैसे कैसे बनाने हैं? इन्हें बच्चों ये गेम्स सेल करके पैसे बनाने हैं. और सिर्फ बच्चे नहीं खेलते हैं ये गेम्स. ऑल्सो प्लीज कीप दैट इन माइंड कि सिर्फ बच्चे नहीं खेलते हैं. इनके ज़्यादा जो टारगेट बिगर डेमोग्राफिक जो है वो अडल्ट हैं, अडल्ट मेल्स हैं. तो बच्चे तो बहुत छोटा नंबर है. अगेन प्लीज लुक अप द स्टैटिस्टिक्स. बच्चों का नंबर तो बहुत छोटा है. बड़ा नंबर इज अडल्ट मेल्स. तो ये बड़ों के लिए ये गेम्स बना रहे हैं जो बच्चे भी खेल रहे हैं, और ये हमारे बच्चे भी खेल रहे हैं. तो जब ये बड़ों के लिए और मर्दों के लिए ये गेम बना रहे हैं, तो आप इमेजिन करें कि उसमें लोग क्या क्या डाल रहे होंगे टू अट्रैक्ट दीज मैन टू दीज गेम्स. इसमें औरतों की भी इमेजेस हैं, औरतों के बारे में डिस्कशंस भी हैं, उसके बारे में उसमें हर तरह की जो गंदी चीज़ आप इमेजिन कर सकती हैं वो उसमें है. And then our kids play those games and we have no idea what kinds of things are happening within those games. And then of course जब वो बच्चों को भी बेच रहे हैं वो चीज़ें, तो वो पैकेज उसको ऐसे करते हैं कि पेरेंट्स को ऑफेंसिव ना लगे देखने में. But it's when you start to play a lot of सारे गेम्स की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, most of them, then you realize what's actually happening. So please be very mindful of that. So again, it comes back to that, when they can be all these amazing things within these video games. They can be all these, magical creatures. They can be, हमको तो जो chance मिलता था to be all this, magical fairy tale creatures was in books, right? So we read more and more and more. इन बच्चों को, हमारे बच्चों को जो chance मिलता है is through video games. And if they can go into that world and forget what is happening around them, forget the real world, which is quite boring now, why would they want to stay in this world? Why would they not want to play more and more games? Why would they not want to escape? We read books because we wanted to escape. We made up our own games. Remember, हम अपने games खुद बनाया करते थे. We used to, play house, and actually I never played house, but we made up. I remember जब हम छोटे थे with my cousins and my friends, we used to make up these, superhero games and, all these kinds of extravagant, different worlds where we were saving people, and somebody had like a bionic arm, somebody could fly, and we had all these things that we were kind of doing. But these kids don't need to do that because they have these worlds made up for them. तो इनको अपनी दिमाग यूज करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. कम से कम दिमाग यूज कर रहे हैं. And that's another very big problem. कि brain activity कम से कम होती जा रही है. अपनी abilities ये बच्चे अब इनको यूज करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. So that's another huge problem that's coming up because of all of this. AI and ये जो games की वजह से भी, क्योंकि इससे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है कि when you're using your imagination and then you're doing all of these things because आगे जाके आपकी यही एबिलिटीज काम आती है ना आपकी स्कूल में कॉलेज में यूनिवर्सिटी में you're thinking for yourself तो ये तो बचपन से ही thinking for yourself को ख़त्म कर दिया then where is your imagination? There is no imagination. So that's another reason to pull back on all of this entertainment because let the kids think for themselves. Let the kids make up their own games. Let the kids be creative. Because then how are they going to learn to come up with their own ideas? To know what they want to do? Because when I'm just going to give you my example. Okay? And this was the same for a lot of people. And I'm sure millennials can to some extent relate to it क्योंकि millennials के टाइम पे भी इतनी ज़्यादा availability नहीं थी इतनी ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी AI इतना सर पे सवार नहीं था I knew from a very young age what I wanted to do. I wanted to be a writer. I knew at the age of 10 that I wanted to be a writer. And then later on that I realized that journalism is the path. I wanted to investigative journalism and then, reporter, whatever. That वो आप थोड़ा सा advanced thinking में आके फिर आपको पता होता है कि कौन सी niche किस तरफ जाना है. But I always knew because we didn't have computers, we didn't have that kind of advance. And I'm not saying computers are bad or, any kind of, कि technology नहीं होनी चाहिए, but I'm just telling you, and then millennials were the same way because I'm, I'm just at the cusp of, Gen X and millennials. Okay, शुरू ही हुए था वो सब. So we took the best parts of technology. अभी हो गया कि nobody knows what they want to do. Because there's nothing almost like, what do we need to do? Everything is done for them. Everything is just handed. But that's on us. ये बच्चों का कसूर नहीं है, हमारा कसूर है. We need to pull back on that. हम positively use करें technology को, उनको entertainment भी करने दें, but हर चीज़ को pull back करके बच्चों को पहले उनका दिमाग use करना सिखाएं. उनकी base उनके अपने mind से बना के, फिर जब वो stage में पहुंच जाएं जिसमें हम थे 20s में, late 20s में, then उनको let them have free range on the computers ताकि वो अपने आप को कुछ बना सके. And that's what I'm teaching my kids right now, at least trying to. Okay, and they say, well, you use ChatGPT. I don't use ChatGPT, but their dad does sometimes to make his presentations, right? So they say, okay, well, you're doing it. Why can't we? And that's what he tries to explain to them. Okay, but everything that's coming out, that's being presented here, is from my own brain. It's my hard work. It's all me. I'm just asking this thing, AI, to put it together. And he's like, I've been doing this for 50 years. This is my work, my hard work. And I can ask AI to save me time because I'm running a whole company. I don't have time to print, type things and put it in a particular format. I don't want to, waste my time on that. Now I'm able to put my thoughts on this thing through AI. And that is the purpose of AI. But you, a 12-year-old, what you're using AI for is to find answers. First, learn to find answers from your brain. जब तुम्हें पक्की practice हो जाएगी, तुम्हारे दिमाग में answer इस तरह से आने लगेंगे, then you can ask AI to organize them for you. No problem. लेकिन अगर अभी से तुम use कर रहे हो AI को and you're depending on it and your brain is just sitting there helpless, then you're never using it. So you can't accomplish anything, right? You're dependent on technology. And what if technology just flickers off one day? I mean, it's not something that will happen, but, just as an example, फिर क्या करोगे, right? So yes, it's okay to have fun. It's okay to use it when needed. But in order to make our kids self-sufficient, in order to not have them be dependent on anything other than their own brains their own abilities, we need to control and teach them how to use technology. Because अभी हम उनको टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ करने की एबिलिटी को और किस तरह से वो यूज़ करते हैं उसको स्ट्रेंथ समझते हैं. But we have to understand that is becoming their weakness. We should teach them how to use it and use it in the best possible way, but we should teach them more so to rely on their brain. कि पहले learn to use your brain, learn to do it just by your own intellect and your own ability to your hard work. उसके बाद, yeah, age appropriate technology, sure. Again, I mean, I don't want to, I would like, as you parents, all of you, I would like for you to research your own statistics. Because I wanted to, go over it and have them here, but I don't want to do that. Because searching for this, looking it up, is going to help. Because that is what's going to be the convincing factor on how much we lose when we put all of this in front of the kids and say, oh, technology is important hai, or digital learning be important hai, ye be important hai, wo be important hai, and we forget कि इसके नुकसान क्या हो रहे हैं हमें as a society, and addiction कितना बड़ा problem बनता जा रहा है. So please create boundaries for your children, and please talk to them. What we think we're doing right now is not working. At least जो Western countries हैं उन्होंने जो तरीके देखे हैं और apply किए हैं, they are not working. And I say that because उधर की जो Western generations हैं, they have failed. अभी तक की जो उन्होंने तरीके apply किए हैं, they have failed. And I see these people, I see these children and how they're growing up and how difficult their lives are. If they don't have a computer in front of them, they can't function. And if the computer is not giving them the answers, they're lost. So let's not go in that direction. Let's not take advice from people who've already failed at this. And let's try to see how we can deal with it in a better way. I hope this helped. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your attention. And if you have any questions, we're here to answer those questions. And have a good day, good night, good evening, depending on where you are. And we'll see you next time.